Yo. Oh shit, someone. Eh? It's saying 10,000 bitrate, but it's fine. Sick. Hello. I have noise cancelling on, so this is really weird to hear myself. I might turn it off. Oh, that's so freaky. I think everything works. We're gonna hope so. Oh, I'm streaming to Twitch with 10,000 bitrate. Oh no. I think that's really bad. Shit, I have to restart. It's broken. Hey Leo, I have to restart this shit. Hello. Hello. I think Twitch wants me to do 10k bitrate. Because I turned on Twitch enhanced broadcasting. And it's doing 10,000 bitrate, which I thought wasn't possible. But Twitch wants me to do it, so you know, go ahead. I don't really care. Don't know what it does actually. But here we are. Oh, I'm gonna double ping everyone. That's so annoying. I don't care. Oh, right. Yeah. That's the context you're getting. I'm trying to get used to noise cancelling. Like, I want it because of the window, but I can't hear myself talk. It's really off-putting, actually. Oh my god. Anyway. I have a plan this time. I actually have a plan. I'm not going to do some stupid improvisational shit anymore. It's not happening. So let me reveal that momentarily. I have my headphones on. I have my headphones on like here through or whatever. Oh. Yeah, mine's called, it's like ambient noise, but then I hear everything like louder. I can hear myself even more. Oh, just your voice or everything? I can't talk or play Valorant or noise cancelling at all. Yeah. Like, what if I'm just like screaming right now? You know what I mean? You get me? Oh, I broke my slideshow to show you. God, life sucks. How can it get any worse? Hi Kip. Sploop, what's up, man? Hello. Kip Yigia. Are you doing alright? Okay. Here's the plan. Give me 2 seconds. Here's the plan. That's the plan. Economy 2.0. This is what I came to, like, this is the conclusion I came to for like having this game be simple but like fun, and there's like a gameplay loop, and but it's also like idle sometimes. So this is the solution. They die and produce money, and the money they produce depends on how strong they are, right? You have their health and their damage, and if you combine that, you get a value for the Unicell. So if it's like 50 damage, 50 health, it'll produce 100. Currently it's coins, it's meant to be DNA, but it'll produce 100 coins for you. Epic. You then buy more Unicells with the coins. So you can get 3 now. Stay with me. Then you can harvest them. I say delete. Basically you kill them. Like yourself. You kill them permanently, I think. And you get their soul basically. So you harvest them for their soul after you've bought them. And you spend the souls on upgrading all the Unicells of that type. This is per type. The money is global, but these souls, this is per species. So like with the pink ones, you delete the pink ones for the pink souls. And you upgrade all pink Unicells base statistics with their pink souls. Which currently would be like damage mutation, health mutation. I could do health regeneration mutation, but we'll do that later. And then the starting level they spawn at. And level just amplifies a Unicell stats. So basically you can pay to have all Unicells have like just better stats. Or you can pay for them to have better mutations, which would exponentially increase the amplification from leveling up. I think it's cool. I like this, you know? It's like money, money, souls, souls, and it kind of repeats itself. And you can kind of balance out how much you do a certain thing. What if I delete them all and have no money? Ah. Yeah. I mean, that'd be stupid. I'll have like a soft lock prevention. Maybe like you can't... Maybe you have to have at least one blue cell. But then you'd get a ton of souls, and then if you killed them all... Yeah. I understand that that's quite... Someone just slightly clueless could make themselves have to wait ages. So I'll figure that one out. Game over. You lost. You lost an idle game, by the way. Souls to money convert. Yeah, could do. I mean, yeah, you're basically... when you get souls, you're basically sacrificing like part of your income of coins. So it's like... The souls kind of are from money. A soul represents an income. And then you spend the souls for better stats, which increases the income of everything that's alive. So then you get more money, and then you can buy more cells, and then you can harvest more cells. I think it's elegant. I think it's super simple. But like it is a gameplay loop. So yeah. I think it's fun. I think it'll be like a fun... It might get repetitive. At that point, I don't know what to do about that. That's another issue. Spore? Yeah, this is inspired from Spore. Like, very, very initially inspired from Spore. Yeah, the cell stage, yeah. Civilization to space, yeah. Yeah, the cell stage Spore was like the inspiration for like setting up the game. It's kind of turned into more of its own thing now. Like, I don't know if it's an idle game, because it's not an idle game. It's just like a, watch the simulation happen. Watch the simulation happen and then do random shit. Yeah, Christmas was good. I enjoyed it. Ho ho ho. Okay, why would you have to spell it like that? Hold the rings, plasmids. Okay. What the fuck's a plasmid? It's actually, it's the soul, okay? It's the soul of the circle. I can't hear myself enough because I've always had it on ambient. Oh. Just conditioned yourself to hear yourself. It's quite strange. Yeah, my Christmas was fun. I had food and presents and family. It was pretty good. Make it look like a soul? How do you make it look like a soul? What does a soul look like? Oh, like, I know exactly what you're thinking. Like a little, like, flame? Like an essence, you know? Like from that movie, that Soul movie. Wispy? Yeah. They had the same thought. Yeah, I can do. I probably will. But right now, that's not important. But I agree. That wasn't me dismissing you. That was me agreeing and then putting it aside for later. Better Call Saul? Yes, these are... I should just do Saul Goodman's face. I'll paint one for you. Okay. Has to be good though. And it doesn't have to be pixel art, I guess. Although that'd be weird if it wasn't pixel art. Maybe. I also want to redraw these unicells. Because they're kind of mid. Like, they are mid. Like, if this was final product, I wouldn't like it. So I'll redesign that at some point. Probably off stream, cause I don't really know how to... I would need time to just sit there, I think. And if I streamed, it'd just be the... It'd just not really work out. So yeah. That's the plan. Plan probably won't work. I'm gonna bump into a bug in 10 minutes and then end the stream in an hour out of frustration. But we'll see how far we get. We'll see how far we get. Right. Like my DM, I did it. That was quick. Oh yeah. That's something that happened. It felt so long. You got sour. Idiot. Did I do anything since last time? Yeah, I think I started the concept. But I didn't do anything crazy. I've got the population numbers. I've got this, which broke this. Yeah, they spawn in. I think I want it to be like more... I want the feedback for the population changing to be more direct. Like, I feel like if I'm buying a unicell, they should, one of them should instantly just... immediately just start like growing and dividing within like 2 seconds. Yeah. Like, I want that to be quite a direct... What's the word for it? Like, I don't know, just instant feedback to the player. Poo lol haha. Okay. What's happening? Okay. Yeah, so I've got population numbers. I think I was trying to get it to like... Yeah, you see what I mean? Like, this is just awful. I'm paying for a higher population and nothing's happening. It's really bad. The money works though. It's the damage and health. I understand damage is half the value. So health is it's kind of skewed. The value of the unicell is skewed towards health. I can change that. We'll do it later. Do you sell Pokemon Sword and Shield? Yes. Offering to moisturize the Pokemon, but the context is a bit hazy. Oh my god, yeah. There was a clip. And it was like that blue frog Pokemon, and I was on about moisturizer. I guess it needs to be moisturized. Like a dry... I don't remember. Jesus, yeah, that was a very niche thing that happened years ago. I remember that. It was when I was doing the Clip of the Stream series. Which is long gone now. It's archived. But yeah. I also have some snacks because I always just get hungry. Like immediately. I don't know where to start. Open perchance? Oh, I have this as well. Okay. Let's pay money for the cells. Let's do that first. Is this working? Let's get this turned on. There we go. And this works properly? Hang on. Oh my god. Right, engine. Studio. Engine. Okay. We're good. I have problems with memory, but random little bits kind of strangely spark up. Not the full context. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, it was from like a while ago. I can find out. I don't know how hard it is to find a... Actually, I can just search for it, can't I? I'm not gonna show it. It's just gonna be me being cringe. Also, it won't work. Okay. I think it was from like... probably 5 years ago. If I had to guess. Okay, where does the purchase happen? I think it's the economy. The economy script. Okay, so you start with souls. Let's not start with souls. Let's start with I don't know, 100 coins. Or 0 coins, but you start with a cell, maybe? Hi Spirit, what's up, man? It's going well, it's going well. How's your Christmas, bro? Time goes by, true. I mean, it felt like ages ago, I won't lie, but... Start with cell? Yeah. Obviously. I agree, I just couldn't be asked to code it. Was dope, nice. Are you still at the Lake District? Random location, I mean? Like, that place you were going to? Room 204. Oh, now, okay. Epic. You're home now, or are you home? Which home are you in? You're in home, right? Cause you won't go home until... You know what I mean? Okay. Home, not uni. Okay. Now I'm back at uni. I was at home for like 3 days, 4 days. That feels quite sad saying that. I was only there for 4 days. But I had fun. Like I had like each day was like its own, I guess, event, its own aura. I just think it's different. Also, I mean, yeah, I just think it's different with my life, where everything's on a computer. Because like I was in the middle of doing work and I was doing hobbies, and I have to drop everything basically. Which is fine, but I don't do enough IRL stuff, so it's probably my fault. Okay, so update aura. I don't really get that one. Blue souls plus equals what? What? Update aura. This is from... Oh hell no. Oh hell no. I'm here, so I'm back at uni too. Okay, good. I felt Shan saying all that. He pinning the Discord. Nice. I guess that works. I don't know how like in the way that pin messages are. I have no idea. It's not? Okay. Couldn't do any work when there's still got a grind now. When there. Oh. Oh, yeah, true, kind of. I mean, you've brought the computer home. So, I mean, that's fine. Like, I literally couldn't do any work. I've lost my coffee. Yeah, I didn't drink that much. I hate alcohol right now. Like on Christmas Day, I went to the pub and I think I had one cider and I immediately just felt sick. And I just, Like, alcohol itself just makes us nauseous now. Mainly because I keep getting pissed. Maybe it's an alcohol problem. Like, it probably is. Like, I just think there's no point if you're not gonna get drunk. Like, I'm not spending all this money on alcohol just to get tipsy. You know what I mean? So I just get drunk. I just get drunk a few times a year. I think that's like it's the most efficient fun. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not an alcoholic. I just have to get drunk. It's gotta be worth it. You can hide them. Oh, nice. I guess that's good. It was cool if you could start the stream with like pinned messages. If I hadn't, I would be back at uni already. Yeah. Also, no offense, I prefer being in my uni home. I mean, I didn't. Yeah, I just did. Annoying to get food though. Okay, I've been looking at the script for 20 minutes and doing nothing. We need to spend DNA, which has a coin emoji, but it's also called coins. Unicell purchase eligible. Here we go. Okay. So if you want to buy blue Unicell cost. So yeah, that's the same, but it won't be. It'll be DNA. Is it called unicoins? Oh hell no. This is gonna be the most confusing thing ever. Right, there we go. And to get the cost, that's how you get the cost. That works. To spend it, you just take away coins instead of their souls, and then increase the cost. Perfect. I think that's it. Grant currencies on Unicell death. Unicoins equals. Okay, so this is when a Unicell dies. And when they die, they produce a soul. Oh, shit. I have a different system already. Gonna eat, I'll be lurking, no worries. I've got bobbins. I've got hula hoops. I got these. I thought bobbin was a brand. Oh, wait. You know it's good when it's good when the nutrition values are all red. It's like a warning. Also, do you like the thing I did? I can't show you like that. A lot of people joining could actually see what was what the goal was. But yeah, I've got it so when a cell dies, they produce a soul. Where before, it was that you would delete them. Like, you would permanently delete them. Yeah, we'll do the new way. Okay, so we'll just not do that. And then okay. So now this should work out pretty well. I want to try and do everything as like segmented as possible, so I don't burn out immediately. If my webcam's lagging. What the fuck? There's a delay. Do you see a delay in the webcam, or is that just me again? Yeah, okay. I think something's going wrong. I don't go on Discord much, and a lot of main streamers also no longer stream, and we'll keep dropping off. Oh. Oh yeah, I get an email every time someone goes live. It's so annoying. I mean, I don't see it, but like I have like in my spam folder, it's just people going live. I have loads of people live. I think the more, if I don't use Twitch much, the streamers will kind of drop over like the course of like a year. But like I'm watching streamers again, so there's like 20 people live at a certain point, which is pretty good. Coffee's in the microwave. Oh, what? Life's going downhill today. Anyway. Nice, it doesn't work. Oh no, it does work. We were just meant to start with a population. Should this not all be set here? We'll do 1, 0, 0. So we should start with 1 cell, or 1 cell should spawn in. Wait, 1 makes no sense. You make money from them dying. Let's do 0. And start with money. Oh god, the start of the game is gonna feel so janky. I need to figure this out. I was getting pinged a whole lot in the early days, and now it's like a shock when someone goes live. Oh, I guess so. I don't think people are leaving the platform though. I think everyone's multi-streaming. Also, if it's people you followed ages ago, they probably just quit. Like you followed me when I streamed like 4 days a week, and then I have like 5-month breaks in between like 2 or 3 streams. I also need to have it so they don't flee for a certain amount of time. Okay, I mean that works. Anyway, yep, there we go. So this costs 6. You go down. Just gotta change the icon. Okay, still working. Can I open? God. Which one's which? What? Blue soul image, blue soul image. Okay, one of them's the background. Oh wait, of course ads exist. Oh my god. I was actually tempted to just cancel my affiliate contract. Then I realized channel points get removed. I feel like it's too integrated and it's been around for so long. I can't do that. That was close to doing that. Like, I know no ads would have been crazy good. How many do you have, Leo? You have like, wasn't like 80,000? I swear you could buy VIP like 3 times. 72,000? Alright. Wow. I don't even know any redemptions to do like past permanent VIP. I thought, by the way, I thought that cooked, by the way. The VIP for the stream. I thought that was a really cool concept. So instead of doing like a first redemption, which is meaningless, like it is meaningless, I'll just do VIP for the stream, which costs like a similar amount. Like, it's very cheap. Oh yeah. So being like the first one here. And if you're not a VIP or a mod, you can get VIP for the stream. And permanent VIP, I think that's a cool idea. But I don't even know else. I don't even know what else to do. You're planning to implement an endosymbiosis mechanic. What? An organism that lives within another organism in a mutualistic relationship. Oh, I nearly did that, actually. Yeah. Good idea. I won't be. I'm not doing that. I don't plan to do that. So what? Like a cell lives within another cell, and like a parasite, or like they rely on each other. I don't fully understand that. No, I mean no. There's no like. The only thing these cells do is fight each other. They don't fight like their parent or their child. But apart from that, they just kill. They kill anyone in sight. You could argue it's quite boring, but oh well. What is happening? This bloody mechanic with them fleeing is. I'm about to remove fleeing. Like, fleeing's fun, but like, nah. It's just... Or like, if, yeah, I don't know. Some kind of cooldown or timer that you can't flee for a certain amount of time. I could do that really easily, I think. It's just so annoying. Hi Joseph, welcome back. How was your Christmas? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 4. Is there a meaning behind that number? What am I doing? Again. Yeah, fleeing, that was it. So, is there a way to make fleeing just less boring? I'm trying to fix it so they don't just run away forever. Like, well, that's it. Pioneers, okay. So 20 times a second. If the nearest unicell equals null. I mean, that basically they will not stop running away until they die. By the looks of it. I just don't want to do fleeing. Let's just not do fleeing. Where's the state? Yeah, this is new as well. I did this off stream. I did a decide unicell state. So I had like logic all over the script, basically saying what they should be doing, like what state to switch to at certain points. I just changed it to like, if the state could change, then call it and check. And basically, if there's nobody nearby, they will what? Oh, if there is someone nearby, they will fight them unless their health is low, less than 20%, then they will flee. If there's nobody nearby, they will idle if they don't have full health. If they do have full health, they'll just be hungry. So they'll just look for like food. You know what I mean? $72? Oh no, why have you said 72? How's your day going? It's going well. I woke up at 3 PM and then bought milk and bread. Absolute cinema. We have something called mitochondria, so called the powerhouse cell, responsible for energy production. You may have to confirm in wiki. Yeah, mitochondria. Yeah. That's a good idea though. Like the cells could have like kind of like their own ecosystem happening within their cell, and you can like look at like different like components. That would be sick actually. Performance wouldn't be that bad. That's a cool idea, actually. We won't do it for this, though. Okay. If you're fleeing, if they, we're not fleeing. We're not fleeing. Get out. Okay, break. Oh my god. We're back to, right. If, we'll do if false. There we go. If false. Which is false, so it won't do it, so it will just fight. Perfect. Now it won't look so dead with them all running immediately. Like fleeing, I have to think about fleeing. I don't know what to do about it. Anyway. This looks much better, except him, who's... Oh, you're hungry. There we go, this looks better. It's still like... It's still a mess, but you know, it's better. I'm gonna have it so... I wrote this down. So food... I wrote in my notepad for when I'm back from Christmas, which is today. Food needs to heal unicells. Default their behavior to hungry, which I've done. Make a state decider function, which I've done. Don't remove starve mechanic. Okay. So basically what I wanted to do was they eat food to satiate themselves so they don't starve. But it also would heal them fully. So that acts as like health collectibles. And I think the reason I didn't want to remove the starve mechanic was so if a stray unicell, like this one, just goes off and gets lost, they'll die. Thankfully this guy's found food. Yeah, it will just kill any stragglers because that's just dead. Also, the money's crazy. I'm at 11,000 coins. Oh god, this is extremely unbalanced. Nice. So we can do that now. Should be easy. It would just be on collision. It might be in the unicell itself. So if it's food... Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Handle unicell collision. If it's a unicell... Wait, what? If it is collision with unicell and it's blue... Okay, ignore any of this. Yep. Yep. That's useless. So if it's food, it will gain hunger. This is really easy actually, just gain health. Fully regenerate maybe? Yeah, for now we'll just fully regenerate. Fully regenerate, gain hunger. And then decide your state. If hunger is more than the hungry threshold. Yeah, so it's checking if it thinks it should change state. Or should it just do that anyway? Fcam? What happened? What? Wait, how do I fix this? I've never had this problem before. What? Face cam. Why is it broken? Hang on. Face cam. Elgato camera hub. I love how it's mirrored as well. Well, it works here. I don't really understand what's happened. Hello? Hello? What? It works though, I don't understand. Camera hub. Yeah, what? I can see it myself. Or you can see it. Look. Do I have to close this again? What's happening? What's happening? Wait, this makes no sense. But it actually makes no sense, by the way. What? What? I'm about to freak out. What? Do I have to change it? Please run camera hub to use Elgato virtual camera. I am. This is it. This is it happening. Okay, lovely, yeah, fair enough. Literally, what do I do? What do I do in this situation? This is fucked. Let's replug it. This works. Oh, that doesn't. I'm facing the wrong way now. Is it actually broken? Wow, it's actually broken. Nice broadcast. Now use this. Oh, it looks ass. Okay, that's right. No, I cannot. What a stupid situation. And how do I flip it? How do I flip it? Okay. I guess we don't. There must be a way to flip this. Is this really? Scaling aspect? Sure. Is it this one? No. Delete. Color correction? No. Really, no flip in any of this. What if I flip it? Hang on, got an idea. And then rotate it. Oh, I'm so smart. This is what it looks like. I just rotated it to be upside down as an upside down. This is peak. Okay, I think we lost the background blur. I don't know if people wanted that or not. Hello, Spirit. Sorry, I had like major big problems. Sorry about that. Okay. Apparently Kirby is based on a MOBA. Oh, that's cool. About what's happened? Everyone died. Transform flip. Right click on OBS and click deactivate, and then reactivate. Transform flip. Oh. That's so... Okay, I mean, yeah, fair enough. Okay. Okay, but I can't read that. Don't know how to flip anything real. How come not? Just streamers can play whatever they want on stream. What? Larger streamers are usually variety anyway. A larger niche streamer probably couldn't. Although I can't really think of one, to be honest. Well, large streamers aren't... Like, if you want to be a popular... Like, most popular streamers would be variety, because... If you, like, niche yourself to one thing, you kind of cap yourself. Maybe not. Oh, no. It's like pirate software, but he, like, does... I mean, yeah, he's a variety streamer. He plays games. Yeah, I can't really think of anyone. Joseki? Yes? It's not popular. I thought you meant like large streamers. Yeah, Joseki's popular. Oh, and he switches game. Oh right. I mean that surprises me a bit. If you only play Valorant, that 100% does not work out. I was saying I had to fix them. Yeah, thank you. I should have been, yeah, sorry, I should have kept chat open. I was freaking out about the camera. Songs, bro? What? I know who Joseki is. He's a Valorant streamer, right? Yeah, when I see Valorant streamers play something else, their viewership, like, halves. Oh! That is fully your fault, by the way. That is not even my fault. Mate, cinema. Any streamer can play what they want. On Twitch. I can play what I want, I just choose not to. Because it would mute the VOD. And I'm streaming to YouTube. And YouTube would actually have a fit about it. And if I play copyrighted music, I have to basically reveal my music taste, which I don't even know what it is anymore. I'm pretty sure half my playlist is songs from like 2015 now. He works for Blizzard? Yeah, he works for Blizzard and the government for cybersecurity. He's a game dev. He was a game dev. He was a cybersecurity person. Is that it? Pretty much. And now he just streams game dev and video games. And he blew up. He blew up from the YouTube shorts. Yeah. Split the audio. Play what you want here and not on YouTube. Yeah, I can't be asked to do that. I'll do that next time. I don't know if I can do that mid-stream because I know you have to select the audio tracks. Yeah, I can't edit any of that anymore. I don't know if this plugin... Oh, it does work. Yeah, okay, I could do that actually. I can do it for next time. But I don't know if I want to play copyrighted music. Because then it would just be annoying when I make devlogs and I'm showing clips from the stream. I'd have to like replace the music. Which is fine, but it's just more effort. I don't know. I might not actually. I might not do that. Okay, what's next? We've done that. And a pencil. What's like this? Okay, yeah, the population needs to be fixed because it's a mess. What I want to happen is I want pregnant unicells to be pregnant and birth in parallel to what they're doing. So it needs to be an independent thing. If a unicell's pregnant, they will grow and split within, I would say within 2 seconds. Like it needs to be just something that like, happens. Regardless of what they're doing. So to fix that, this is all set up as well, right? Yeah. To fix that, I have to take it away from the state logic. Actually, this is easy. So instead of, here we go, reproducing. Instead of doing this, we just copy this code. They'll never become pregnant again. So, what am I saying? That doesn't even make sense what I've just said. And we'll go back to the Unicell logic update. So before it does the state, do your state behavior. Then do your pregnant behavior. Yes? If pregnant. If is pregnant. If is pregnant. Unicell pregnant. Update. There we go. So we'll just call this function. Which will go in... I think this... Grow as baby. No, that's not. We'll do it here. So Unicell pregnant. If I spelled pregnant wrong, can someone double check? How many lines of code are you on right now? What is that? What is that? In the script? In total? I spelled pregnant wrong. That cannot be right. It's not yeah, I thought so. Wait, I'm actually so stupid. What's up, VIP Rolf? Oliver, when is the Nature Marathon stream? That was so funny. It was so funny. Yeah, good job, Rolf. It was a good. Was it a 2 hour Nature Marathon you did? Are you pregnant? Yes. Okay. Then be pregnant. Handle okay. I think I've done it. I'm pretty sure I've done it. That was really easy, actually. Oh my god, I'm flying through this, by the way. How many lines of code total in the script? In the script. How do you open these all? Oops. Until yeah, I'm just gonna do this. Open. There must be a hotkey for this. Oh, it tells you? 1300 it says. Where does it say that? Oh, I don't need to open them. Oh, you're right, you're right. Okay, sorry. It's 1305 actually. That's pretty good that actually. Actually, I feel like that's less than I thought. To handle every entity in the game, 1,300 lines of code. That's not even that much. Right, I want to experience the script. Hold on. I need to feel what it means to be 1,300 lines. I wanna be the script. Open everything. Okay. So this is all variables. Okay. The update isn't that bad. A couple hundred lines. I mean, it's not even. It's quite compact, I guess. Logic update. Slow logic update is ridiculously long. That's 100 lines. Okay. I kept on seeing all these pictures from the Nature Marathon guy, so I decided to do one myself. I want to do one now. I actually wanted to as well, to like bounce off of the meme. Like, it is cool what he does, but I just don't think he's aware. Does he look at replies? And I don't know. He also never speaks outside of that. And so for 2 years, he's just occasionally posted nature pics. I don't even know if he's like it depends. I don't know. I don't know. He's just a guy in the Discord. Like, if you look in media and go into the index search and search nature or marathon, are there still replies? Not really, but I don't think he ever answered people. I enjoy them. It's fine. I'm not against him. I'm just wondering why he, like, if he's actually looking at replies and like reading it, it's fine. Or because it could be like automated. Okay, I don't think he hasn't said a single thing except for the pictures. So I don't know if he's posting it and then forgetting it, and he's just spreading his nature pics, which is fine. Yeah, I just don't know if he actually like He does it with the intent of reading, like, responses. Likes taking pictures of birds. I'm sharing with us. It's fair enough, yeah. Pretty cute photos. He does post some banger pics. Yeah, so slow logic, why is this so long? Like, it checks if they're hungry, it checks for nearest unicells. There's 30 lines about pregnancy. What is happening? If okay. Oh, if it can be pregnant. And the okay. If it's eligible to be pregnant, it will then impregnate itself if the target population is higher than what it currently is, which means it's lower than what it should be. I like that. I want pregnancy to be like instant though. Oh, but it's gonna make every unicell pregnant immediately. Like I want to make it so they'll just always be available to be pregnant. But this is gonna go through every unicell. No, it's not. It'll do one at a time until the population's high. It's still gonna. I need pregnant unicells to count as 2 population. So then it will do this. It will go through and iterate and make everyone pregnant until it hits the population target. Even when they're still like in the womb or whatever. The cell womb. The single-celled womb. It cut me off? What? I've not missed anything, have I? Pregnant. She said pregnant. Iconic. 2-hour walk in the park? Nice. Yeah, Yoshi, that's it. Yeah, I've not spoke to Yoshi in years. That's why I'm like that's why it's like a stranger to me. Ran behind a fox the other day, if anyone cares. Wow. Okay. It's pretty cool. I'm scared of foxes because my friend made me scared of them. Because he's fucking weird. Unfortunate. Fuck, how do I fix this then? I literally need a number of pregnant unicells. Oh man. I actually have to go and... Okay. It's just... I feel, okay. This is my plan. Oh no, I hate this. So... And I have to do this. Okay. Count pregnant unicells. That's 2 population. This is just performantly as well. This is probably really bad. We'll do for every unicell. For every unicell, if unicell dot is pregnant. Whoops. I just did, yeah. This is fine. This is fine. I need a variable. This is like it's macro logic. No, logic variable. It's not a logic variable. Unicell prefab. Entity list. Entity list. Go on then. So we'll serialize it. So we'll do a private int. Pregnant unicells. Okay. So every second... Yeah, every second we'll go through them all. So set pregnant unicells to 0. And then for each one that is pregnant, add. I spelled pregnant wrong again. God. Okay, nice. So now if the target population is more than... Well, perfect. It's more than the unicells in existence plus pregnant unicells, which adds one more for each one. Perfect. Oh. God damn it. We need to have 3. We need to have pregnant blue unicells. We need an int for each type of unicell. So blue, pink, and yellow. How's your Christmas, Rolf, by the way? I didn't ask you. And you, Kip, how's your Christmas? And you, Leo. I mean, I already know about you. I know who you are. Okay. So we'll do a switch. A switch for the unicell. If it's a blue unicell. If it's pregnant. Okay, this is awful. So if it's blue, if it's pink, if it's yellow, if it's none of them, then oh dear. Oh dear. Entity manager. Hello logic update. Unknown unicell. Unicell type for pregnancy check. I hate working on this mechanic. Just talking to myself, I sound like a lunatic. Do you ask something? No. Talking about you. Hello. I'm pretty sure, yeah. I don't think I have tinnitus. But like I have like this tiny like background white noise and it's so annoying. I'm pretty sure it's normal, but like it's just so annoying. Like I can never have silence. Is this normal? I had a sort of Christmas around the 15th. Driver would not be available for actual... Oh. Spoke to mom and sister on phone. Oh, nice. Oh, so like you couldn't be there for Christmas? That's unfortunate. So on the so you celebrated it on the 15th with them, and then spoke to them again on Christmas. I think is what you're saying. Nice. He has 20 messages which aren't bird pictures, and of those 20, there are 2 about him leveling up, and 1 about it being his birthday, and 1 about Christmas. The rest are talking about bird pictures. Fair enough. But like, I just don't know who he is. We don't know, I don't really know him. I've spent half an hour eating hula hoops. He really likes those? Yeah. Absolute cinema. I love the solution, and I think the solution's fine. Okay, we have an ad break. If you don't have ads, congratulations. Basically, I went to my mum and sister and then had a sort of Christmas dinner. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. Sounds like a fun time. Okay, okay. This should work now. We check how many pregnant cells there are. And then we check... And then we count them as part of the target population. But not part of the target population, as well as the target population. Nope. Both of those are wrong. As well as the transformed... No, I can't make that make sense anymore. I've already fucked it. I write code and then it works. Wow, I'm really bad at everything. Okay. So there's a target population. So let's say the target blue population is 100. So we need 100 unicells. We check how many there is. Let's say there's 90. And let's say 12 of them are pregnant. That adds another 12. Because it's like future unicells. Like they're already in the pipeline. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay. So then we don't have too many pregnant people, which would just be annoying because then there's just too many unicells, and it would just fluctuate the population really horribly, actually. I'm quite hyped now because I think if I make the pregnant threshold immediate, then I think we have like that smooth, instant feedback gameplay loop that I want. Just need to do one more thing, which is to find. I need to find pregnant timer threshold 1. Okay, well it's 1 second. That's fine. That works. Okay, let's do it, guys. This is really hype. This has to work. 1, 2, 3. So the target population is 4. I think it's 4. Hang on, start again. I already fucked up. Wait. Target population right now is 1. No, it's not. It's 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And since it's below the target, they're gonna just really quickly like multiply. And there we go, we're at 10. Nobody else gets... What? Someone just died? Oh my god. This is great, by the way. I love this. I love this so much. Oh! I love that so much less. Why are we at 15? Oh, I think it's doing the bug that I literally didn't... Oh, I know why it's doing this. So we were below the threshold, and basically every unicell just got pregnant immediately. And that's because, even though we check how many pregnant ones there are before the iteration loop, it never updates in real time. So if a new person gets pregnant, we need to add 1 to the pregnant amount. Otherwise, yeah, the entire population will be pregnant. You get me? Oh, this is so nice. It's so good, though. Oh. I am fat? You got my attention. Who even has ads these days? Everyone. Every affiliate or partner. Yoshi even said he would... Oh, wait, okay. You're just flexing, you don't get ads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, target population is 10. I should get to 10 very quickly and basically not move. It's not doing it quick enough. This is too slow. To be fair, I can understand the issue. Come on. The pink unicells suck. I need to give them actual mechanics. Right, well, blue's at 10. Let's see how stable it is. 9, 8, 9, 10. Sweet. Pink unicells are struggling because they're just not moving. They're just not moving. They're not even splitting properly. It also doesn't help that they're all spawning in like I mean, the issue is the actual unicells not splitting properly, but you know. I've had 3 Christmas dinners so far. What? Oh my god, I'm jealous. I am fat. Oh my god. Sorry to hear that. Yoshi even said he would upload a picture of his birthday cake, but seeing as it isn't a bird picture, he didn't send it after. Oh my god. That's class. How do we spawn them? Hello? I can never find the where's spawn? Spawn unicells. Let's make this like bigger. What? Oh wait, okay. Take away what? Amount times 10. This should be times 10 then. Surely. No, that makes no sense. Okay. Anyway, pink unicell should spawn better. They should spawn better. We're gonna procrastinate fixing pink unicells for the whole time, probably. Let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I don't have enough coins to do that. Okay, the target is 9 because I can't run out of coins. Okay, 10. There we go. So now they should spawn more spread out. It's still jank, but like I just want it to. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's so awful. It's because it spawns 3 and then it just relies on them being pregnant. I have to code a mitosis animation to make them like split. It should be easy. I just need to apply when a parent gives birth. When a parent multiplies, I just need to apply a velocity to the parent, and then apply the opposite velocity to the child, and then they will just randomly split from each other. And then I can have the blue unicells do that. Currently, they just use their inflate mechanic. Let's do that. I might AI this. I am AIing this. Oh god. And it crashed. Ignore me trying to fix Bluetooth. In Unity, C#. How do I have a game object, have a velocity in a random direction, 2D direction, and then have the opposite applied to the child? You would think it's easy, but it's like you can't just like, I don't think I can pick a rotation and move it in that way, because it has to be X and Y velocity. But then how do you make that like an even thing in a 360-degree loop? Oh wow, it did that. Inside unit circle dot normalized. I have never seen this code in my life. Wow, it really did just do that. What I just said I didn't think it could do. Generate a random 2D direction. Wow, cool. I'm gonna learn what this means so that I'm not wasting my time, but that's sick. Apply opposite. Yeah, negative. Wait. Apply opposite. Yeah. That is very cool. This script. Explain this line of code to me. Code generates a random point within a unit circle. Wait, that's perfect. What, like an outlined circle, I think. A unit circle has a radius of 1 and is centered at the origin. A random position. Oh, and it's normalized. Does that work? So it's a random point within a circle normalized. So then what? It's just a clean, like, direction. Okay. Yeah, normalizing it makes it 1. But it points in the same direction. Cool. By normalizing the vector returned by inside unit circle, you get a vector 2 that represents a direction within the unit circle, perfect consistent like a 1. Wow, nice. Inside unit circle. That's such a cool function as well. The entire line creates a random direction. Yeah, it's just saying the same thing. A random direction without affecting its speed. Yeah. Yeah, and then you multiply it. Okay. Oh, right. That is so cool. So to do that, this is it giving birth. This is it setting the skewed position. Fine. Yeah, so it skews the position for the child, so it doesn't like spawn in the exact same coordinates. That causes really big bugs to happen. So before that happens, okay, after you spawn the baby, let's do that. After you spawn and register the baby and initialize the baby, unicell, no, hold on. Unicell.random angular velocity. That sounds like the same thing. Random angular velocity. That's angular, so no, that won't work. Right, how do I do this? I need to make the vector 2. Okay, this makes more sense. And equal it to a value. Yep, random.inside unit circle. It doesn't know where the unicell is though. Does it? It has no reference to the unicell. Inside unit circle. Does it matter? It doesn't really matter, does it? This is like a conceptual variable. Okay. Unicell.rigidbody linear velocity equals random direction, and multiply this by, we'll try 10. So apply it to the unicell and then apply it to the new unicell with a negative direction. If this works, we are just on some incredible pacing. Just trying to double check if this is gonna work. It should work. It might not work though, because what if they bump into each other? You know what I mean? The best thing to do would be to not have a collider for like half a second. The skew. Okay. Because if this is the parent and then the child's here, and then the random thing makes them bump into each other, they're just gonna go. It's just gonna be really weird to look at. So the skewed position should be yeah, let's declare this up here, and then just comment this out, and then spawn them at the random direction. So unicell, is it parent unicell? Or... okay, dot transform dot position. Add the random direction to it. Hates that idea. Why does it hate that idea? Because this is a vector. I hate this so much. New vector 2. Unicell.transform.position plus random direction dot x dot x. And then the same thing, but for the y-axis. Perfect. So it will do this. The random direction could be this way. So it'll spawn it over here. Which then means it'll either do this or it'll do this. And I'll just figure out which one it does. Yeah, if the random direction is to the right, it will spawn it to the right and then go to the right. So this should be minus, this should be positive. So then, if the child spawns to the right, the parent will go left, the child will go even more right. Oh, I really hope I'm right, because that was like... I feel like I don't know. Did a good job. It's not gonna work. Something awful's gonna happen. Oh my god, it works perfectly. Oh, that is... Oh my god, that's incredible, actually. Oh my god, it's perfect. Whoa. Okay, that is so fluid. Wow. Yo, I'm hyped. Yo, that is sick. Oh, that's so good. That is so good. Okay. I'm astonished I just did all that and it worked. That's crazy. I might be him. So when I buy one, does it stay? Yeah, you pay when you buy one, you're increasing. You're not increasing the population. You're increasing the population target. Right. So yes, you're paying to have on average another Unicell, and that's what I'm working on now. I'm trying to work on having it be as close as possible so that it's not confusing. Like right now, you buy a Unicell, you have one Unicell. You want 10 Unicells? The goal is that you would get 10 quickly. I love that so much. It's such 2 lines of code as well. There we go. You have 10. You have 9, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay? You see? You understand? You see? And it's pretty stable. I'm gonna assume these are gonna have like 2 different. Yeah, they're gonna. Oh wait, they're not even doing the inflate mechanic, so they're doing what I just coded as well. Are you pregnant? Okay, it was. Damn! Oh, that's so good. So good. I don't know if it's probably just me. It's just the absolute cleanest code ever. And it works perfectly with the offset. I think it works perfectly with the offset. Yeah. So the blue Unicell doing its stupid inflate on spawn shouldn't happen. Like, it just shouldn't be happening. But it is somewhere, because it's coded to not inflate if the colliding person is less than a second old. So... right. Maybe it's fine. How do I know how many I have versus how many I own / paid for? Right, I can either show the target population in this like UI bar and have it so when you hover over it, it tells you how many there actually is, or I show what the population is, and then when you hover over it, you see what the target is. I could do that. And I could even have it so when you buy one, you get like a little text telling you what the new target is. That was the question you already answered? Oh, right. I did not read that until now. I read I read, when I buy one, does it stay? Then I answered you, and then I read that. And I feel like I gave a different answer. Because it's still not perfect. No, yeah. Okay, goodbye. I think I should have the max. Oh, yeah, okay, now you're answering what I've answered. I think I should have the max at the top, then the real number in brackets. That's what I just said. That's so funny. Alright. Show the max. Okay, show the maximum. So show the target. Hover over it, maybe. Or, yeah, or a bracket and show the actual number. Yeah. Or it shows the real number. Wait, you said exactly what I said. And even said, like, the other... Yeah, or show the real number. I promise to God, I did not read that. That is crazy. I said the... Wow, that's crazy. Like, I think the max you've paid is more important for the player. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I think I'm leaning towards that. And then if you really care about it, you can check. Because once you're past the early game, you have no idea how many cells you have. Like, visually. Like, you're just seeing balls all over the place. Like popping and... Huh. And then you have... I wish. So yeah, I mean the target makes more sense. Yeah. Bro, that was the question you already answered. Oh my fucking God, are you joking? It actually had me a giggle. Yep. So now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They should both get to 10 within, honestly, within very quickly. I want the pregnancy to be quicker. Also, whenever they attack, their pregnancy resets. And I'm not fixing that right now. I mean, it's like kind of a stress test because in a very small area, I'm trying to get 10 of each. There you go, 10 pinks. Ten blues. Yeah, I mean, oh my God, and it absolutely tanks. Yo. Pregnancy takes way too long. It needs to be like literally a second. I genuinely think that's what we should do. So grow. So this is per second. Okay, well, okay. Yeah, grow 1 per second. Nice, that was easy. Yeah. Beep up. There we go. 10 hits. 10 hits. Stabilize. 10, 10. 8, 9, 10, 10. 7, 10. Okay, this is pretty good. How does this look? Yep, looks fine. Looks fine. It looks natural. Can you be pregnant, please? Well, it's difficult once it's stabilized. Yeah, that looks fine. That looks like there's nothing harsh happening. It's quite a smooth way of I like it. Yeah, so do I. The blue unicells. There is logic somewhere in this script that's making blue unicells in particular use their inflate mechanic when they give birth, which I need to remove because we now have we have a universal, like, what is this called? Like a universal divide velocity. No idea where it's happening. I have no idea where it's happening. Unless it's just happening because they're touching. Yeah, that's probably it. Yeah. So I think that's not really something to fix. Cool. I could make it a bit better. No, I think it was fine. Sick. Okay. I think it's a bit harsh how much money you get though. Like the first Unicell in the game, you're getting like 150 coins. Just feels a bit like I should probably start them in like the single digits. I can actually. Yeah, nothing's stopping me from doing that. I'll just make it so you start with like no damage, no health. That was easy. So when we initialize... Oh god. Oh, this code's awful. We need to start them on... Here we go. Do we make damage and health the same? But then it's either 1 or 2 hits to kill someone. It'd be more performance issues. Yeah, no, we shouldn't do that. Let's do 5 health, 1 damage. So on average, it's 5 hits to kill, which will slow down everything. I think for the better. Yeah, 20%. Yeah, 5 hits on average. Okay. Everything else is fine. The speed is fine. This, I don't think this exists. And then here it does it automatically. When we mutate them, oh god. Oh, is it an int? Oh god. If it's an int, we're screwed. It's a float. Damage try to multiply value to the stat divided by 20. What? Try to multiply value to the stat divided by 20. What does that mean? Okay, I'm gonna just take that literally. So the stat is... So damage is 1. I do what? 1 divided by 20? And set that to the multiply value. Okay. So if we set damage... Okay, I understand that. It should be... It wouldn't be 0.05, would it? Would it? You get a value. Yeah, shrink it. Because 1 is such a small number. The mutation has to be tiny in relation to it. Okay. Max health is 5. Which divided by 20 is 0.25. But in relation to the stats, the mutations will be... Yeah, health mutations will be bigger. I don't know, I feel like late game that's gonna get really dodgy to deal with. Who cares? Let's test it. I'm pretty sure I just fixed that issue. There we go. So 1 damage, 5 health. Let's get you pregnant. 1 damage, 5 health. And these are float values, right? Otherwise, it will just never move. Floats. Int. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Everything has to be a float. Otherwise mutations will never... Like, they need to stack and get out of a certain value. So there should be floats so that over time they are mutating. And then eventually it will change the int number. Oh god. Let's see how hard this is to do. Float. Why would damage be a float and max health isn't? Unreachable code. Oh my god. Alright, this is freaking out. We have ads, but I'm just fixing. No, I'm not doing anything interesting. Just changing this to float. And then change this to float. Right, I fixed everything. Max health mutation. Oh god. Do not round anything, please. Why? Yeah, why is this not working? I've done it. Unless this is an int. Oh god, it is. Oh, they hold the mutation value themselves. Cool. Is that it? This should fix itself. And then we're left with this. Float. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, wait. It does this. Okay. So, unicoins. Yeah, here we go. Seal to int. That's going to be really dodgy. No. Because if it says 1 and 5 on the card, and you get like 8 coins because they're slightly mutated upwards, but you can't see it, it's so confusing. So don't seal this to int. Just make it equal this, and then round these the nearest integer. And that'll be what we display, so then that'll make sense. Int, you're an int. Yeah, I think that's it. I think that works. Okay, so mutations will happen in like the behind the scenes, and then it just won't be displayed to you until that mutation gets close enough to the next integer. So now, okay, yeah, we have this issue now. Why does damage not do that, but health does? That is so broken. That's incredibly broken. It's getting okay. It's getting rounded upwards. I think it should round to the nearest ints. And then health. And health can be a decimal. How do you get a decimal place? How do I round an int to the nearest? How do I round a float to the nearest? The nearest... What's it called? Like a 10th decimal? To the nearest decimal. As in 1.4. So you want to get the value. So you do math.round. Oh, so, okay, so it's a function where you round it and then you type in the... I'm assuming like the index and the number, like the decimal count. Okay. What? So this has to be a float, not flat. So float the current health. Current health. So we mapped out round the float. With the value being... Okay, this music's getting on my nerves now. What other music can I play? Like Animal Crossing? Isn't Animal Crossing copyrighted? Don't pause it. Hang on. Let's make it louder. Animal Crossing music. If I get a DMCA strike from YouTube for this. How copyrighted? There's Animal Crossing music. It is copyrighted by Nintendo. The songs are not owned by Nintendo and can be used for other purposes. The only thing that prevents you from using these songs is the fact that they are not licensed for commercial use. Yes, it's copyrighted, but Nintendo does not put the music into Content ID. Okay, perfect. We can play Animal Crossing music. So I'll play this chill lo-fi for Animal Crossing. That's not Animal Crossing music though, is it? What's the newest Animal Crossing? Fucking... what's it called? That's loud, is it? Oh, did I make it louder? New Horizons. Yeah. Albums. How's that? Let it like give a song a second. Is that still loud? It looks loud on OBS. I don't want my music to be like something ridiculous. Oh my god, there's a song for every time. Wait, what? This is 5 AM. Is that how it works? A song for each hour of the day. Is that it? That's it. Huh. Animal Crossing has such a cool concept. I kind of wish... well, it's not like perfect, but... loud? What? Right now it's loud? Oh... I can't make it any quieter. That's 1 pixel, by the way. That's 1 pixel. Oh, I think it is quieter, actually. I think I fixed it. Epic? I think. What did I do again? Oh yeah, I was fixing... yeah, I fixed it. And do it to 1 decimal place. Oh, my AI is wrong. Why is it too... floats math.round. Oh, it's this math. That's not gonna work. Oh, crap. Is it round to int? What do you want me to do? Math dot original value 1. Yeah, no, this does not work. Unless the whole thing needs to be encased. Returns f rounded to the nearest integer. No overload method for round takes 2 arguments. Alright. Oh, we're doing it my way now. My way is going to be really, really bad. So we get current health. Let's okay. Times it by 10. Oh no. Round it. Sure, round it to an int. I don't think it matters. Round it. And then divide it by 10. Programming. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. Perfect. And then do the same for max health. There we go. Fuck, let's do it for damage. Why would we not? Just might as well, right? Damage. Most posted bird pics? No way right now. Well, I was laughing at something else. Oh, that's sick. Your camera quality is so good. Damn. Wait, that's cinema. Can I show this? Yeah. Check this out. Bird. Kangaroo. This goes hard. I like this one. This is aura. We've got some furry dogs. Cat. Oh, it's a flamingo. Like a grey one, like a grayscale flamingo. Bird. Nice. This one and yeah, that's cute. I guess that's pretty cute. Is that a random cat? What is this? I actually don't know what that is. Like it looks like a peacock. I think. But like peacocks don't look like that. Cool. This is fully just a thing now. We're just gonna have like nature things. It's a rhea. Oh. Greater rhea. I feel like I'm being baited there, but okay. Oh, he just split into 20 pieces. What just happened? I clicked it. Wait, hold on. Where did he come from? Oh, they're spawning independently. Okay, I understand. I mean, I can change that. So once there's one cell, I don't know, it has to work out though. Google it. Can't be asked. I don't care. Okay. I don't know animals. Oh, this is 8 p.m. That's crazy. Actually, I should play 9 p.m. I think. That's so cool. I'm looking for spawn unicells, but once again, okay. I found it. Wait, where's it deciding how to spawn them? Oh god, the economy? Is the economy spawning them? What? Yo, what? Purchase panel? No, it'll be slow update. It'll be slow update. God, I hate my voice. Low logic update. And it'll be something like if the target population is less than like 3. Boom, boom. If it's less than 1. Which means once there's one cell that spawns in, the only way it can go from there is if it multiplies. We could mess around a bit. Let's make the pregnant threshold. Let's make the pregnant timer threshold 0.1. Please be in. Okay, good. Does this happen anywhere else? It does. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's numbered. Okay. This should look. It should look pretty good. On his YouTube chat. If I spam this, it should keep up. Let's do pink, because pink always struggles. I don't know what that target is, but... Okay, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah, okay. Pretty good. It's a target 12? What's the target? I think it's 13. Yeah, there's no way it's 14, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, there's 13. Let's make them both 15. See how good blue can catch up. 5, 7, 8. They're quite clumped, so it's doing pretty well for that. 11, 13, 14. Oh, it dropped quite hard. The good thing is that if it drops hard, if the population's basically more than 10, then it's fine. Because 5 of them would just get pregnant. Oh, my headphones are uncomfortable a bit. Oh, that's weird. There we go, 15, 15. I might have to do like a map mechanic to have them not wander off. Do I need to do that? And I've made it so they can't really leave where they were born. Interesting. I'll be 1 minute. Yo. I should really leave when there's ads happening. Future reference. No, Oliver. Turn it to a blobby. Okay. Alright, this is working subliminal. Right. Not doing that again. Right. It's working well. You know, we've got like these like species happening. And they have their life. You know, we've got some pinks over here. Bit of cross-contamination happening. Only issue is just the strayness. I kinda hate them doing this. Or do I? Like, is this? Do I want them to be this spread out? Is this enjoyable? I feel like it just forces you to do this, where you can't see them, but you name them. Oh, that mechanic is half broken, so it doesn't exist. Does it? Yeah. Normally, yeah, I'd click on this and name them. Also, I didn't even fix the fucking stat screen. Damn it. Have I finished my hula hoops yet? Oh my god. The balancing seems pretty decent. What are we at, like 30 of each. What was the default? 1 and 5? 3 and 7. 2 and 5. This guy is bugged out. Why is he just fat? Oh, he's level 7. Oh. Since he's a higher level, he's bigger. Which means he doesn't spend as much time being pregnant. Oh my god, he's just spitting them out. Maybe that's an intended mechanic. He's so big that he can just like... He doesn't have to grow so much. So then they just go around spitting unicells. Like, does this still look fine? Does this look good? I keep forgetting I can follow unicells. Or should I still do the whole grow thing? Name them after birds in honor of Yoshi. Yeah, I feel like he's died. Is that a metaphor for the wealthy class? Maybe. Maybe. He's spitting out poor level 1s. And in terms of like how active, I mean, I made it so that on average it takes 5 hits to kill a cell, but they're multiplying still quite fast, which means it's fine. But damn, bro, they just spread out. They just spread out. Is that a good thing? I don't know. I'm freaking out. I feel like I'm just squinting, and if I zoom in, I just don't see. No, I hate this. There is code somewhere in this script. Here we go. So, I think the straying happens when they're hungry, where basically if they end up more than 100 units away from where they spawned, they will go to where they spawned. They will go to the spawn point. He should lose HP when spitting one out. That wouldn't really make sense. Maybe like hunger. Maybe it could cost. Maybe it could cost hunger. But no, I don't want. I want it to be like a meta mechanic. Like it's kind of irrelevant to how the ecosystem's doing because the players paid for 100 unicells. They should get it. And it shouldn't really cause any issues. I guess. I don't know if that made any sense. Anyway, let's see what 100. Let's see what 100 units looks like. Okay, so here's this guy, and he's alive. Let's put him at minus 100. 0. So you can see him here. Let's find where he went. Let's duplicate him and put him at 0. That's the distance that they will travel to find food. It's not that far, but like, let's just make it lower. You get me. So let's do it within like a 10 unit range. If you get more than like 30 away, go back to spawn. Yep. I have repeated code. Let's ignore that idea. Fact. Here we go. So we've basically just kind of triply made them closer to home. Which should just be better. And now that, okay, this should be fine. Maybe the speed could be reduced. Making them slower would make it look a bit better. Then they could be closer together. Let's spawn with a little bit more money. I think. A little bit more money. Question is, have I abbreviated coins? I'm about to find out. Like, will it say like 10k? No, it doesn't. Oh dear. This needs to be automated. Right, I think the target is like 20, maybe. Yeah, they're very fast. They are very fast. This looks sick, by the way. Like this is this is like a nice. This is satisfying to watch. Bit chaotic, but I like it. So target population will reach. I think it's 20. It looks like it's 20 of each cell. They are struggling though. They are struggling to reach that number. Is it 15? No, it's definitely 20. Okay, so we have people over here now. Like this is nice. Okay, yeah. I think we're gonna do a map situation. Yeah. We will not do that today. 2 hours in. What do we have left to do? In terms of economy, quite a lot actually. But yes, in the future, I want to have like this invisible map, like a square, and the size of the map increases with the population of everybody, and then Unicells can just freely explore within that map, which would then mean I can control how crowded it gets, and that's basically it. And then it can literally just be a number, and I can just on the fly change the crowdedness. Because if I just let them do their own thing, it's just a bit more. It's a bit more random what happens. So I don't know. But then again, maybe that's a good thing. Like this is them naturally kind of setting their territory, which currently seems to be this like vertical line. Vertical line. I'm dead. Oh my god, wait. Am I talking loud? Yeah, kinda. A little bit. Oh my god. I think I'm dead. Wait, I'm actually cooked. Absolute yap fest. Damn. I can't even handle it. Okay. I mean, this is pretty good though. Like they naturally set a boundary. I think we make speed lower. Make them more blind. And then they'll naturally be closer together. I'm pretty sure I can just manipulate some stats here. Yeah, screw the whole map idea. Let's just do this. So we've already made it so they won't stray. Now we just need to make them, I think, blinder. Because it's like, what was it, 10? 10 units of visibility? 10 units. That's crazy. Let's do 4. 10 units? Jeez. Why has it happened 3 times? Okay. That'll help a lot. Next will be speed. Yeah, I agree with that. Let's make speed like 5. Because it'll be exponentially slower. Due to damping. Like friction. Why is that? Oh, yellow? Okay. I think I've done it. This is like the most productive stream I've ever done. Like nothing's going wrong because like I've like designed everything beforehand, and I'm just doing what I want, and I know exactly what I want to do. Just paying off a lot, I guess. Yeah, while I'm at it, we need some dev tools. because I'm getting kind of annoyed now. Just like I just want a tool where I can just spam by, like stuff. Update purchase panel prices. I could make a script specifically for DevTools, but for now I'll just do do I have update? What's the update? So if input.get get key down, get key down, and do like, hold on, is this already a thing? I want to press B to spawn to like buy blue unicells, but I'm pretty sure B spawns 1,000, which might mean I already have the tool for it, I guess. Right, let's press B. Oh. It spawns them, but extremely spread out. I mean, that's fine. It just needs to do... It just needs to do it through the, Yo, where is it happening? It's not even an economy. What? Can we do economy? Oh, it's not gonna like this. Private economy manager. So there we go. We have a reference for it now. No, this sucks as well. This sucks. Just serialize it and then assign it in the editor, right? I think that makes more sense. Game manager, entity manager. That was easy. And now, so when we press B, instead of doing that shit, we'll do... What are we doing? Oh, we'll just mimic that we've pressed it. Blue? Oh god. Huh. Public void, public bool? Public... Oh, it's the purchase panel. Spend unicell. Maybe we can just like jab it in the air. Does any of this just like increase the... No, not really. Increment unicell population. Oh, we can cheese. I don't know if this is like a bad thing on my end that I can do this, but I can just increment blue. Is that it? What's this meant to be? String unicell type blue. Nice. And then just do that 500 times. We could change this to do it. Nah, that's work and effort. Why would we do that? Sick. So BP, comma. Oh yeah, we have times. Oh my god, we can change time, the speed of time. That is epic. Okay. Let's just do like 100. And then do this on start. So every time we play this game, every time we run the game, we will target 100 population of each, which I think is a nice, yeah, that's a good number. So now I should just be able to sit back and just, it'll just kind of run itself, and I can test whatever I need to test. Which was, oh, I've done it actually, haven't I? So they're blinder, slower, they are slower, for sure. Oh my god. Oh god. Let's speed up time a bit. Cool. This is very cool. I'm probably lagging the stream, but oh well. God, the performance is so good. Like the time scale's like 40x right now. Oh my! Can I click on one? Oh my god. Yo, my game has insane code. Mosquitoes? What are you on about? In this? I mean, yeah, they look like they are like little fruit flies. Why are they all falling down? So naturally, okay, they keep naturally doing this vertical map. This is why maybe if I do the map myself, it could be a 16:9 resolution, right? I could get the aspect ratio off the person's display and set that to the map size. So then the map size will be it'll fill the camera perfectly at a certain zoom level. Yo, that's a sick idea. But do I do the map system then or no? I guess I could do this along with a map system. It's just that the map would have to have more power than this. Let's put time to 0 because there we go. Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god. Something's gone wrong. Oh no, what have I done? Yo, stop. Yo, this is one-time speed. Yo, come back. Come back. I think I know what's happened, but I'm trying to prove it. Like, yeah, okay. So evolution happened during that, like, what was that, like, that was probably like an hour of off game time. Yeah, so their speed mutated to an incredible level, and now it's 19 speed. Oh god. I'm surprised I can do this. Oh, it breaks everything though if I do it. Oh. Oh my god. Genuinely, what have I done? Yeah, so they... What is happening? What have I done? Right, let's ignore that. The crowdedness is what I cared about, which looks to be pretty good. Yeah. And I immediately changed my mind. We're doing a map. We're doing a map system. Yeah. Yeah, we're doing that. Okay. I think if I have a map, I think it would just make things just better. I don't need to draw one for each resolution. But just for like while we test this, we can do something. What's the background color? That's not the right button. It's like this color. So let's undo what I've just done. Just make it red. What am I talking? Just make it green. Just make it green. What's happening? RGB. Okay. This is the spawn zone. No, don't save it. 16:9 spawn zone. I know this is not. This is now no longer part of the stream. Part of the economy. Well, it kind of is. It's related. Right, now what? Let me get rid of this bloody error. Okay. Did I export it? I did export it, didn't I? Oh, I have to do this first. Alright. So it is a texture. It is a texture for the environment. Oh, I could have done the cool background. Oh well. You live once. So it's 16 by 9, so 16, I don't know. 10? Let's make it like, yeah, let's make it 10. 16 by 9. I don't do any of this crap. Alright. Oh my god. So in here, I mean, it's a sprite. It would act as a sprite, I guess. Yeah. Let's make it an entity. This might seem stupid. It's because it is. I just need to see this for myself. Let's call it the target environment size. And it'll be this guy. Let's make him 1 pixel per unit, actually. Which now means in-game, this thing is literally 16 units long, I think. Yes, yeah, I think it is. So that makes that easier. And we'll change the scale depending on the population. Perfect, actually. Yeah. The issue is that when we increase the map size by 1 unit, for each unit we increase the size, it's exponentially bigger. Because math. So if the population increases at a linear rate, the map size will increase exponentially slower. So it'll be like fast because it's tiny and it needs to get massive. Like boom. And then slow down. So how on earth do I do that? I feel like this should be an arbitrary number. This shouldn't be the sprite. How do I get how many units big it is? Wait, that's it. I'll just split it into units. We'll slice it into units. I know this is 16 units long. Multiply that by the X value. That's how many units long it is. So then, yeah, we'll just slice it into units. Perfect. Just make it an entity at this point. Who cares? Target environment size. Controller. Sure. And then let's make this freaking. Oh my god, it's freaking out. Let's make this go very low down. And make it transparent. We just need to see that. There we go. Okay. So it needs access to the transform. It needs access to how many unicells there are, and that's kind of it. That's it. And from that, it can change its size. So let's do a. Let's not bake anything. Let's serialize a private transform, which will equal the. I'm gonna assume this is per entity. Yes. Blue unicells. There we go. So it'll see the population. And then on update, or I guess maybe fixed update, it'll grow and shrink. Not even fixed update, it's gonna happen very slowly. So let's just make a timer. Environment timer. Environment timer threshold. We realize this. And then run the timer. Surely fixed update would be a... No, I guess not. So plus equals time to time. Okay. If I press something because something's happening and it's freaking me out. I've pressed insert, I think. Yep, so if we get over the threshold, set the threshold. Oh my god, my headphones are freaking out again. There. Okay. Set the threshold to less. The threshold will be 1 second. But every second, we'll check how many people there are. So this shouldn't be very performant heavy. This should be very performant. Are these meant to be transforms? I hope so. 1 second. So var entered unicell population will equal this dot child count plus that plus yellow. It's hesitating at yellow. Okay. Cool. Right, we have a population. We now have to. Oh god, we have to split the sprite into a grid. Oh man. We need to find out how many units squared it is. Is that the word? Units. Yeah. So we have the population. We need to get the. Let's make these variables at this point. And then we need environment slots, like unicell slots. Okay. So unicell slots will be. This can be one line of code. Unicell slots. Oh god. Equals. So it'll be 16 multiplied by the scale. That's how many horizontal slots it is. I don't know why it's freaking out. Oh right, okay, that's fine. So that's multiply this by how many vertical slots it has. Yeah, that's it. That's how many units squared it would be. Which means just change this unit squared. Unit squared. Unit slots. Unit count? Unit count, sure. It'll equal all of this. Rounded, probably down makes more sense. Unit count equals, yeah, perfect. I'm gonna unhide this pin. I'm not really too bothered. I feel like it might be better just to have it off. Sure. I think I'd rather just promote it randomly when like it feels efficient. I don't really want people joining the stream and then seeing a Discord pop up. Okay, so we get the yeah, okay, perfect. And then that's it, isn't it? The transform dot local scale. Oh wait. That makes so little sense. We're gonna have to make the scale change. Right. So unit count, okay. If we're doing 1 cell per unit, I mean that's just crazy to be honest. We can't really do that. Let's do a units squared per unicell and make it like a private float. Okay. If the unit count I mean, that's how many units it is. Change it? Unit count. And then multiply that by the, divide that by. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Right. Unit count divides equal. Equals unit count divided by target population. Okay. This is really confusing. If you have a 16 by 9 map and the scale is 1, we have something units squared. We have 171 units. If we're doing 1 unicell per unit, then it would be this divided by 1, which gives you the same output. Okay. If you want unicells to be on average in a 2 by 2 unit grid size, then it would be this divided by 2, which means you have half as many slots available. Which makes sense because they need twice as much. They need 4 times as much space, actually. This is wrong. This is bad. Unit count. Oh man. I mean, if we make this 160 by 90, it will now be 14. That's more slots, actually. More units. don't know how to do this. So see, I don't want 144 unicells in a 16x9 grid because they'd be literally shoulder to shoulder. So let's just get that and then just divide it by. If we divide it by 10, then it would be 10 units per unicell, which would make it 14. Yeah, I think that makes the most sense. Divide it by 10. And then floor it. Yeah. So this is the unit count. This is a. I mean, no, we can keep this. We can keep this. Just divide it by how many units you want each unicell to have. Perfect. We'll just decide. We can decide that from the engine. So units squared per unicell. Let's do like. Let's do 8 unicells per, which would equal 18 within this target, within this. So let's actually test this out. Let's say 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. This is how crowded I want it to be right now. So if we change this to just more. Let's say, wait, hold it, 16 times 9. Yeah. Let's divide this by. Let's do 15 units, which will equal 9. What are we at? 18. Oh, oh no. 12. 11. I don't actually trust what's deleted, so I'm gonna start again. I'll just go back, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There. That's still very crowded, but we're just gonna try this. Anyway. Where's it gone? So 15 units per unicell. So, if the unit count is, if it's less than the population, is that right? Yeah, that's right. If it's less than the population, then there's not enough slots. Let's make a bool? Float? Growth rate? If it needs to grow, just make it grow, basically. By the population, take away how many units we have. So the less units we have, the bigger the number, so the bigger the growth rate. And it would be all of this, but negative. It would be 10 take away 15. No, it would be 10 take away 5, which is 5, so negative. Else, if unicell population, if unit count is more than the population, which means there's more than enough units, then we will grow the map, which would be like 10 take away like 15. It's gonna be a negative number. Negative that again, and then it'll equal a positive number. Okay, cool. So instead of doing whatever I've just done here, just make it grow by how. Just make it grow. I feel like Is there a way to find out what scale it needs to be? We're not doing that. We're not doing that. We'll just have it on fixed update. It'll grow or shrink. If transform.local scale equals new vector 2. Transform.local scale to x multiplied. Is that right? Can I do plus equals new vector 2? That makes more sense. Plus equals new vector 2. Plus equals growth rate. Growth rate. Growth rate. 0. Okay, make that a vector 3 then. Perfect. And then just do this here. Oh wait, that might have made no sense, but we're gonna try it anyway. The map doesn't even work right now, but we're gonna see if this is gonna work. Oh my god. Oh my god. The map is currently like infinitely sized. Plus equals the growth rate. I mean, the growth rate's incredible. So let's just not do that. It's divided by 100. I don't want it to, it shouldn't ever have to shrink. No, I mean, it will shrink though. Yeah, never mind. But this time it should not do that. There we go. There we go. So it's going to grow to accommodate the growing population. It's growing exponentially actually. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I caused? It's just not stopping. It's just not stopping. Is it calculating the unit count again? Yes. 16 times scale, 9 times scale. All divided. Oh, no, it's not. All divided. What? This. Yeah. There we go, all divided. I think I did something wrong with that. I have no idea. Well, here we go. Probably should make the target population lower. Okay, don't do this again. Don't. Oh my god. It's so broken. You have the population. You have the unit count. You have how many units you can have. Hello, Joe. Oh, nice, Joseph. Good redemption. I need to type your name out, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 4. Oh my god. That's crazy. Congratulations. Enjoy it for the next hour or two. Yo, this is just broken. It's just so broken. It's crazy. I don't even know. 16 times scale. 9 times scale. Yes. Divide it by... Yes. 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 That's perfect. If there's less units than the population... Screw it. We're doing something else. Then growth rate equals 1. If it's more than the population... Equal -1. If... So what? If the unit cell population's bigger... If this take away the unit count is... If it's more than like... If it's more than... Like what? Like 10%? If there's 100 population... Okay, if the... Okay. If there's 100 population, there's 50 units. If 100 take away 50, which is 50, is more than 50 divided by 10, which is 5. If it's more than 5, basically is what that's saying. This should be if... Oh god. I need my other project because I coded this. And I think I coded it better than the other one. Because this is not right. This is not right at all. Yeah. I think that's right. Yeah, then it has to... The bigger it gets, the more it takes the budget. So since that's bigger this time, if that minus the population is more than that over 10, shrink. Otherwise, do not move. Okay. So now on fixed update. Yes. Okay, yep. 100. So this will be 1 per second, I think. No, it'll be 1 every 2 seconds. Let me serialize everything, because I have no idea. I don't think any of this works. Okay, unicell population's grey. Alright. Alright. Serialize. Just serialize everything. Alright, let's test it. So this is what we're looking at. It just needs to not be crazy. Oh, it's... Okay. So units squared per unicell. Yeah, it's 15. So there's 21 spaces, 21, 38, 21, 9, 38. So as the population increases, the unit count needs to basically equal the population. So it's working. It's just doing it so quickly. But it's trying to equal what I wanted. Yeah, so it gets slower and slower. That's still too crowded. I'm trying to fit all of these into this. So I don't know. I mean, yeah, that's way too big. Can I change this on the fly? Give it like something like 30, which now means it needs to get way bigger. Still, no. 50? Because this is a good... I mean, this is very crowded. Like, even this is like... I need to fit all of these into... I need to... No, it's tiny. Let's do 100. There we go. Okay. Still crowded. Okay, now I need to make it... Oh god. So that unicells will just not leave. Interesting. Well, that works though. Nice. Make it so they can't leave. Also, I mean, it's still not enough space. Fine. I think it should be a bit... do like 8, 5. There we go. So let's make it a bit less sensitive to moving. Because that was just going all over the place. Nice. So now it just needs to have public variables. Yeah. It needs to have public variables. So that unicells know where not to go. I think. So public float. Is it public float? Public float. Unless it just tracks. It could just track it. And then it calculates it. No, that doesn't make sense. No, it does make sense. It does make sense. Right. So, I mean, they stray off, I think, only when they're hungry. Yeah. So, idle, fighting, fleeing, hungry. Okay, I can do all this. If distance from spawn is more than 30. If random location equals 0. What? Oh, if it's far from spawn, go to spawn. So this just needs to be changed. So let's have this script have a reference to the... I don't know what it's called. That. Okay. I have to focus because I have no idea what I'm doing. I mean, sure, if you're far from where you spawned, that's fine. Go to where you spawned. Otherwise, make a random location. And do... God. The random location could just be the map. But that might just look stupid. And then everyone would bump into each other. I mean, it would look like... Okay. Let's just try it. Well, the location Just do it again. Random location equals new vector 2. It needs to be this and this. This doesn't matter, does it? It needs to be the target environment size controller dot transform dot local scale dot x multiplied by 16. That's units, which is like perfect. So it needs to be within a range. Oh god. It needs to be a random dot range. Random range? Range. Max exclusive. Exclusive? Int min, int max. Yes. Random dot random range between negative size and positive size. Why is it immediately freaking out? What? Use random.range instead? Okay. Negative that number. Positive that number. And then same for the y-axis. Except... Oh, it's just such a long line. You get y and it's 9. 9. There we go. So that's at a random location inside that green box, and then it'll go to it. But if it's far from where it spawned, well, screw it. Who cares where you spawned at this point? Just comment this whole thing out. If distance from spawn. No. I don't care anymore. There. That is your new location. Does it do this anywhere else? Yeah, it does it here. I don't care. I don't care. And I think that's it. Doesn't do it again. Nope. 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 Alright, let's see if this works. Yep. Oh god. So now, when they're hungry, they should only travel within the bounds. Obviously that means, I mean, they can still like leave. This would be an invisible map anyway. But yeah, they can leave. It's a soft border. But over time, if it wants to get to the population. Body pinks? Pink takes so long. What's happening? Wait, pink is struggling big time. Oh, there we go. Oh. I think okay. Oh no, what's happening? Why is there a diff? Why is there a diff? They have like the same stats as you. What do you mean? Oh my god, they're gonna go extinct. It's too crowded. I can't physically crowd them this hard. Because what, the second they're hungry, they're gonna go towards the green, right? So let's do a bigger... Oh, sugar. Okay. It was still on 15 units per cell, which is impossibly cramped, basically. This is 100, so it should grow way bigger. Here we go. Let us cook for a second. This is looking much better. Yep. Okay. So this is the map target. So most unicells should be in this box. There is quite a lot that aren't. But I mean, it's okay. Yeah, if they're hungry, they head towards the map. That's the goal. Hungry, go to the map. Anyone alone should go to the map. Yeah, look, yeah. Nobody should end up far away. And the people that are far away, uh-oh. But you're hungry going left. I don't think it's... Okay, well it ended up back in the map, fine. Wow, they are blind. Oh shit. Oh, the card doesn't update. I forgot about that. Right, you're going left. You're literally going left. What's happening? Why is the select icon disappearing and appearing? Where are you? Go to the right! It's not working. This guy's hungry and he's going down. This doesn't work. Why? Why are you doing this to me? I can't even guess what's going wrong, to be honest. Random location equals target environment size controller dot local scale dot x dot x dot y 9 9. Yeah. And it's a pixel per unit. This should work. Unless it's like negative 16 times the scale. 16, yeah, 16 units. I don't understand. And it does it here again. Distance to random location. Otherwise, go to the location. Go towards food. Yep. Wow, that's weird. Yeah, why does it not work? It has to be this that's broken. Yeah, between negative, its scale in units. Positive. And it's at 0, 0. Yes. Negative to positive. Yeah, it's perfect. I could do an error check. Or debug, maybe. Debug.log. Its random location. Do the same for this one. Can I get starting music again? What other games can I play? Like other OSTs? This is a 1 hour and a half song. Oh, it's playing like a direct order. That's so weird. Okay, yeah, debug that. Okay. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it stabilize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. We have a bunch of coordinates. So where is... Can I find out where this is? So this guy's at minus 97. Okay, and already minus 146 is one of the target coordinates. Which is like over here, literally over here. There's 200. 200 is so far away. It's like over here. Wow, okay. I think it's just not working. 200. Oh. 182. Oh my god. So they're still just traveling outside of the green. The greenness. I'm convinced this doesn't work. Okay. What is 12.7502 multiplied by 16? 200. Oh, I get it. It is 200, but that's the max. That's the entire length. I've done 200 up to 0, and then 200 above that, which means they're going within double the size of the map. I can probably guarantee that's what's happening. So there should be 8 and 8. And then 4.5 F. 4.5 F. There we go. Let's remove the debugs. I don't think we need them anymore. Let's try it now. So now the map should look like it's really like manipulating where people are. I think. I hope. Oh my god, speaking with these off is so weird. Oh my god, what's happening? Why is it up here? What? Oh, I'm scaled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait till it freaks out a bit more. Boom. Ads, great. Oh, this looks perfect. Wow. Anyone outside the map? I mean, they'll eat food outside the map. Reproduce outside the map. Hungry and you're going left. Where are you? Okay, you're not hungry, are you? You are hungry. Where are you going? What? Hungry. Go to the map. Go to the map. Where are you going? Okay, you're going to the map. Where are you going? You don't end up in the map within 5 seconds. Okay. I think that... okay, no, because what's... I don't know if it's working. I have no idea if this is working. I'm pretty sure it is. Because every Unicell that's not in the map seems to end up... He's going up. He's leaving. He's actively leaving. There must be a line of code somewhere that's making them do that. But yeah, they're just about sticking to the map size. Just about. Yeah, this is being set somewhere. It has to be. And I'll copy it just in case. Ah. You're still in the old one. Wait, what? There. Okay, I fixed it. Okay. We'll try one more time. I fixed it. I think I just forgot to do it to the other one. I forgot to update the other one. Don't know. Go to a doubly sized. What am I saying? Now instead of them going to an area within twice the size of the map, they'll go to an area within the map. Wow, the pink unicells are really struggling. What? There's 5 pink unicells. Are they just weak? I think they're not being able to bounce is like crippling them. Look, it's like at level 8. Oh my god. He's insta-killing everyone. Why are they taking so long? Just... What? They're about to go extinct. Oh my god, they're gonna go... What? Wait, they're so bad. Oh, now they're fine. I think they're reproducing once and then... Yeah, wait, they're reproducing once. And then taking forever. This is 100% being set to 15 somewhere. Pregnant timer. Wait, you're equaling it? You're equaling it to the timer? Threshold. Wow. Okay. Yep, fair enough. Point one. Threshold. Yeah, that was it. So if a unicell didn't give birth for like 10 seconds, the baby's threshold would be set to 10 seconds. Oh my god. I think that's what's happened. There we go. There we go. Immediately fixed that issue. Nice. So now we have a crowded environment that looks way more fun to look at. Is it too crowded? I don't know. Yes. Is it? I mean, it's... I mean, it's like it's a lot happening. These people, what are they doing? Come to the map, please. Yeah, so if they're fighting, they don't care about the map. They don't care about the map unless they're hungry. So like, if it's very crowded, they are just going to leak. Okay, so this is great. So now you should be able to just watch. Is it too crowded? Like, this guy's hungry. He has no idea what's happening. Idle. Idle. Hungry. Because I made them blind. I made them blind. Also, they go to anywhere within the map. Which means they're like actually like, they will actually travel. And because it's so crowded, oh, I think it's perfect. We can... I'm trying to think. Should the map be visible? Also, they're leaking again. What's happening? Why is nobody going over here? Can I, like, spam this? Oh, isn't there a button for this? Yeah, there is. Let's do 500 of each. Oh, the lag. Oh my god. Okay, this is 700 of each unicell. I think this is good. Like, why would you want it more spread out than this? Like, this is fine. Yeah. Unless it's like, I don't know, unless it is just too much. Level 10. Oh my god. He's just shooting out babies. Oh god. Yeah, I mean, I think it's perfect. Now we can just set, like, whatever the camera color is. Set that to this color. Make this opaque. And then make the camera do black. So this should just look infinitely better. What have I... What? Eh? Hey, Gamerland. Been a while? Hello. I think I recognize your name. You followed me 4 years ago. Damn. Yeah, how's it going? Huh, sick. How are you? How are you? Yeah, everything's different now. I'm a programmer. It got worse. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Currently trying to make a map. How do I make like a maps? I can't even explain it. I don't even know. There we go. I'm making a game. It's like an idle game, and you grow like this ecosystem of like these cells. Just like a project for uni. It looks mental right now because I'm doing stuff for the map. But I'm trying to have like the target map be a certain size. So keep them kind of crowded. This is kind of cool though. The light grey. Why is this black? This is black, isn't it? Is this not just black? I'm pretty sure it's black. Huh. I don't know. Like, that's black. Make it, I don't know, brighter? I mean, it can just be invisible, to be honest. Oh, I can't even tell. Oh my god, I can see it. No, I can't. Okay. Yeah, just go back to whatever you was, which is black. Whatever. Just be invisible. New idea. And then set the camera back to. There you go. So it's invisible now, but we can now control the shape of the map and the rectangular form, I guess, and how crowded they get. So that's us done. Because they should form like a rectangle. I hope. This is not a rectangle. This is literally a circle. Oh my god, what have I made? I've made like this is like a particle simulation. Okay, I have to see what this looks like. So they're just like, I mean, they're just leaking. Right, you're hungry. Go up. Is it going up? Yes. I don't get it. I think it's just so crowded. It's just so crowded, and these are all these little bouncy things. They're just scrapping it out. So I mean, we could make it just a bit better. 128. What's 128? What's the square root of 128? Is it 16 times 16? It's 12 times 12. Pretty much. It's pretty much 12 by 12. Okay. So I think if I'm just a bit more lenient with space, they shouldn't leak out the map so hard. I hope. Let's see if that works though. Let's make the target population 200 for each cell. There we go. How much? Okay, there we go. That's a lot of space. I hate this breathing thing it does as well. That's a lot of space it's changing. There we go. At least it stops eventually. Okay, much better. So loud. Yeah, I like it. Oh my god. XP looks blurry. I need to fix that. Oh, kill him. Oh, they just completely don't work at a certain size. They just plow everyone. Oh god. 17 health. Yeah, speed has to stop mutating. Like, for real, that's just not gonna end well. Like, stop, you know what I mean? Mutate. Do not mutate speed. It's not mutating speed. Oh my god, but it is. What? But it is. How is it mutating speed then? I bet it's gonna be somewhere here. It's gonna be some stupid thing I've done. Speed equals 5. Okay. Okay. Speed equals 5. Speed equals 5. Speed equals 5. And you're not mutating speed. That's just not true though. That literally just isn't true. I'll see you later, Joseph. Thanks for coming by. I appreciate it. And here it is. Oh, 20 level up. Hope you enjoyed your VIP for that one message. Yeah, this. I mean, should speed be bigger? Yeah, but not by that much. Let's do a 1% increase in speed. 10% increase in damage and health. A 10% increase in base scale. A doubling of XP threshold. Yes, I like that. I like that. We can basically from now, we can just run this as a simulation and see how the mutation goes. Because the mutation can go negative or positive. So we can literally watch evolution happen. Let's just do it now. Yeah. I'm curious how... Oh, I do want like a time passed thing. I'll just ask it. So right now they have, on average, 0 damage. They have 1 damage and 5 HP on average. We can let it run for like, I don't know, it's been what, a minute now in this game? It's going at 10 times speed. 2 minutes. Let's do 30 times speed. Okay. And they're kind of holding the rectangular shape. Just about. What's happening? Okay. Speed, so okay, they have 15 speed at level 11. I still think that's... Okay, I mean, ignore everything being broken. 8 damage, 15 health. 6 damage, 11 health. 5 damage, 10 health. So, obviously nobody's mutated negatively. Hey, Manimuna, I played Rust a few ages ago. What? Hello? Yeah, I've no idea who you are. I think I played a fair bit of Rust. I think I've got like 150 hours. Yeah, you could be literally anyone. 240 hours. Damn. Banging. How you doing? No, welcome in. First time chat. How have you bumped into me? You must have scrolled through like the Discord archives and saw me. I assume it's Discord. I have no idea. Yep, 2 damage. The guy that way, he had 2 damage. 3 damage. What? Oh, level 1, 2 damage. Okay, but it's going up though. It's going up. And then exponentially increasing depending on level. Level 12? Oh my god. This guy's a beast. He's bugging out. And he's giving so much birth. What? Why is he giving birth and nobody else is? Like, what am I actually watching right now? I'm watching this like mothership Unicell. Spam produce babies. What? Rim... I'm not gonna say that. Rim was my name. I remember playing with you and Killer Shark. Oh my god. You came on my YouTube recommendation. Oh, sick. Nice. Killer Shark. I think I know the server we're talking about now. Was this when I had like that pool and everything? Like I was kind of like, it's like borderline role playing. I had like a pool and everything, and we were like on the coast. God, yeah, what's this? What's this good? Rust is too much time commitment. Like I'd love to play it, but like I'm not living in Rust. Respectfully. Why are they doing this? I have no idea what's... It's... All the high-level unicells are producing the babies. And then this guy just never will. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god. There's a list of unicells, and at the top of the list will be the oldest... It will be the oldest unicells. So it starts from oldest to youngest on who gives birth, basically. That's a pretty sick mechanic, actually. So the youngest unicells don't ever really get pregnant, but the oldest ones do. And the oldest ones are typically the bigger ones, the older ones, higher level ones. Wow, that is so cool. I guess it's a feature now. Yes, the pool. I got 2k hours now. Back then it was my first time playing. Damn. 2k hours. Yeah, fair enough. Like, if Rust, like, if you fuck with Rust, yeah, you can sink a couple thousand in. I never got good at Rust. I have 250 hours, but like, I think I just fucked around the whole time. And I can't aim. So I mean, ultimately, I can't really enjoy the game that much. I was bad. I was really bad. I was bad the whole time. I still am. I still would be. And I think I played Valorant. I would have switched to Valorant back then as well. That game I've got 1,000 hours in, I guess. Okay, well, I'm down to have older cells produce cells. It also gives them favoritism because now their children won't attack them. But let's just make the pregnant threshold not ridiculous. What did you say? I heard Valorant. I was saying that when I played Rust ages ago, I switched to Valorant. I would have been playing Valorant mainly, or I would have then ended up playing Valorant. Valorant happened as well as Rust, I guess. Pregnant. I'm just annoyed. I mean, earlier game would suck. Like the threshold should... It should be 0.1 initially. But once there's more than like 50 population, they should start not producing babies every like second. What is this thing you're doing? I'm doing game development. So I'm programming in C#, and I'm using the Unity game engine to make a game, which currently is a 2D simulation idle game. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a games technologies degree, and this is a project for it. Basically make games. I want to do this as a career. I'm 1 year into my degree. I've got 2 more to go. I'm improving fast. This project I've mainly been working on. I want to be a programmer, so thankfully the graphics aren't what I'm going for. But I'm trying to get good at programming. So yeah, that's everything. That's every goal. My whole life this Christmas, my whole Christmas holiday has been just like doing this. Which I actually genuinely think I'm wrapping up soon. Like, we are very close to finishing. Obviously, the finished product will look like a game. This is all a mess. But there's not much else to do. I want to spend a lot of time on visuals. But I mean, the actual core mechanics I have. I just need to have it so I can upgrade. I can spend. What's my gameplay again? I've lost it. Wait, I have a slideshow for this. This is basically the rest of the game. So this works. This works. This works. And I need to do this next. I went on like a 1 hour tangent making a map. Like border thing. So we need a mechanic where we can kill unicells to gain their souls. And then some purchase panel where we upgrade base statistics for all of that cell. Which will include their damage mutation being skewed upwards. Skewed upwards or just increased? Because if evolution works, increasing the intensity of the mutation should help. Or would it? I don't know. Sure, we'll just say upgrade the damage calculation. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. I don't know if you want to follow this. If you don't know what this is, this might be hard to like. I think this would be hard to watch, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, upgrade. You spend this to upgrade damage and HP mutations, which will increase the value of the cells, which will get you more money. It's a gameplay loop. Oh yeah, and upgrade the level they spawn on. Spawn on? Spawn on? Spawn on. I don't know what it is I'm following. Okay, that's fucked up. We also have music, which I think makes it 10 times more playable. Like unironically. So I'll try that out. I think so, yeah. And I had to make it so you unlock pink unicells later down the line, and then yellow unicells later on down the line. Which I think what I was going to do was you spend either you need to have like 100 blue unicells to unlock pink ones, or you spend the blue souls. Spend like 100 blue souls on unlocking pink unicells. So you're sacrificing a lot of the progress for a species to unlock a new one, which isn't really worth it. Actually, maybe if like I mean, maybe actually it could work. Don't know. We'll just do it so you unlock it at some point. Oh, I didn't play the bloody music. It's gonna be loud though. Oh, it's gonna be really loud. Volume warning. You're gonna get bubble music. And there's ads, It's great. Just me experiencing this. Oh, it's very loud. I'm not even playing. I'm not even playing. So I've got dev tools taking over. I need sound effects. Oh, I need sound effects so bad. I might also fix the select icon lagging behind. Like, I think I know how to fix it. Oh, but like, unironically, it kind of works though. It kind of works at telling me how fast it's going. Kind of works. It kind of works. Kind of works. Or I just change it so it highlights the unicell itself, and we just don't do a select icon. No, I mean, I might as well. No, I might as well. Just instantly disagree. I mean, yeah, these modders just turn into like reading machines. Actually, like it's quite sad what this is actually. I don't know how to fix this bug. It's gonna iterate through the list. I can't randomize the list. I'm not randomizing the list. Yeah, the pregnant threshold just needs to be different. If it's 0.1, let's have this multiply the population of a species. So then when there's 10 blue unicells, the pregnant threshold becomes 1 second in between becoming pregnant. If there's 100, it becomes 10 seconds. If there's 1,000, it becomes a minute and a half. Yeah, I like that. So unlike, I don't know, slow logic update, for each unicell, every second, every second, can I have like a minutely function? Fine, every second. Why is it doing it twice? Oh, pregnant. Okay. Just do it here. Like, check. Okay, fine. This is such a messy function. Unicell.pregnant timer threshold. No, this has to be done over here. Just do it here. Just do it here. Set it to the blue unicells game object dot transform dot child count. Sure, fine. Multiply it by 0.1. There we go. So they'll rapid fire reproduce in the early game to just prioritize just to not have anything fuck up. And then once there's like 100, they will take up to like basically 10 seconds per birth. What have I just done? Oh my god. Turn that off. Can you hear that? My headphones just spoke to me. There we go. And it depends on the there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So now these old unicells won't be breeding machines as much, and also the whole ecosystem should just look a bit more random with the reproducing. So yeah, start of the game, they're very quick about it. Also, this is unnaturally fast anyway because the target's immediately 100 population. You get the idea. They'll all do it again. Yep. But it's slowing down. Now they're taking several seconds per pregnancy. To the point where it's actually making it difficult to reach the target. Yeah. They're struggling to reach 100. So let's just do like that. Let's make it just make it better. If there's 100, it's every second. That's still it's pretty bad. Don't do that. There we go. If there's 10 100. If there's 100, it'll take 5 seconds per cell. That sounds about right. It just needs to be fast enough so that it doesn't, so the population can handle it. I could just increase the health, because then less people die. Okay, it hit the target. It gets close to the target and then just stops, but that's fine. Like, whatever. So now, actually, let me run it for a bit, so that we can get some high-level cells. Where are they coming from? Okay, this guy's high level. Let's see how much he reproduces now. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Significantly better. And so now younger unicells are being picked to be pregnant, because obviously there's less people available. So now it should just look just a little bit more balanced. Like, if this is 90, it means 10 of them are pregnant, or like very likely. Yep. This guy's level 11. I might even make this more. No, I mean, this guy's massive. This guy's fat. Look, he's just he just dissolves everyone. Alright. Let's make the target 200 per cell. There we go. I pressed the button. It should basically make everybody pregnant. So it shouldn't take too long. It was already, okay, 150 blues. I would have thought it'd be quicker than this, actually. Like, just make 100, just make every pink unicell pregnant. That should be what it's doing. It's not doing that. Oh, okay, well, they are. It is doing that. Oh, but the timer's low. Right, okay, of course. It's 0.05 seconds per cell. Well, blue's at 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Interesting. So yeah, the pinks are just lagging behind. If you make it 300, wow, interesting. Interesting. So the target is 300. Even blues can't handle it anymore, and pinks are still struggling. But what's worrying is that they didn't struggle until this number. So I don't know if my code works in scale. Like, it's basically saying that on average, that a unicell will... Okay, I think I get it. This is me saying that a unicell will spawn every 0.05 seconds. At most. No, which is 20 times a second. So on average, we should be getting 20 spawning a second. But then that's it. Because this is multiplied and basically spread across all of the children. All of the unicells, sorry. And they're basically just sharing this 0.05 cooldown. So yeah, at most it's 20 times a second at most. Kind of. So this needs to get lower, actually. This has to get lower the higher the population. Oh my god. It could start at 0.1 because that's probably fine, but then at 0.1 that's only 10 per second, which it's not enough. It just isn't enough. So it needs to be like, if we do 0.1, this is very tough to figure out actually. We get this number, but yes, we multiply it by how many unicells there are so that it slows down, but it still needs to be divided by. See, now I just want to say this. Now I just want to say, if there's 100, make it 100 times faster. Surely. The more there are, the faster they reproduce. Like, what am I doing? This basically just means if you're dividing it and you're timesing it, it's 0.1. It's 0.1 the whole time. So should it be the same the whole time? No. This has to be divided by less. My god. So if you divide it by 2, oh, what am I making? So divide it by 100 times it by 200, which means it does get slower, but not as fast, I guess. I don't really think that fixes anything, actually. Does it? Pregnant timer threshold. Oh. 0.1. So 10 per second on average for that unicell. Multiply by the child count. Divided by 2. Or 4. F. Which means it's 4 times quicker every scale amount. So 10 per second. But when there's 100, it's now 0.1 a second. But you're also multiplying it by 25. So it's 2.5 per second. Is that higher than before? No, it's lower. What? Gotta go. I'm gonna go soon. I'll probably go in like 15 minutes. Yeah. Thank you, Leo. Thanks for staying by. Oh my god. Oh my god. If you multiply it by the child count, it will always be 10 per second. Yeah, this should make it quicker. Yeah. Divided by 4f. Divided by 4f. So, in theory, it does get faster. I have no idea. Oh my god, I did all that while it was running. Oh boy. Right, let's try it now. Let's do a target of 500. This is gonna get crazy very quickly. Okay, so 50 is surpassed with these. 100 is surpassed. Pinks, there we go, fix that. 150 for the blues. 150 for the pinks. God, the pinks are like they're like okay, it's because they're all doing it simultaneously. 200 blues, 150 pinks. This is where it started to struggle to increase because there's just too many dying, and the pregnant timer is just not good enough. I think all of them are giving birth. They're not. No, they are. They were trying to. 250, 230. This sucks. No, this isn't good enough. This isn't good enough. Just be 0.1. Be 0.1 multiplied by the child count divided by 4. And per second. And then it's like, what? 5 per second per thing. No, this should work. Okay, make it 16. Because this is me increasing the unicells per second. Oh, no. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 500 target. It explodes to 300. Struggles to get to 400. Okay. And then does pretty well. Why are the physics broken? Oh my god. Let's push this then. Let's do 1000 per cell. Right, okay, just dividing it by 16 worked, I think. It's just over that threshold now. So how often are they giving birth? I can't really tell. This guy's a high level. Okay, not very often. Where's the high level pinks? This is 300 FPS. Okay. Not really. Doesn't feel like it. 300 FPS with 2000. Level 7, level 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is basically endgame levels. Yeah, I mean I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. This looks sick. That's so cool. Nice. This feels like a good way to end. So, yeah, in 4 hours we fixed the reproduction looking jank. We fixed the target population being like just super slow to reach. we balanced a little bit with the values. They produce coins on death. They cost coins to buy. I think that was it. And then a few other things that we did. Food heals, we did that. Nice. So now we just need to do a upgrade system to upgrade the cells. And oh yeah, harvesting unit cells for their soul. That's, I don't even understand how that works. I'm gonna end it here. I'm starving. My belly's just perma rumbling. But yeah, if you're watching, thanks for coming by. Thanks everyone for coming. I'll probably work on this off stream, to be honest. Oh, I'm tired. Goodbye.